I got to press record on my YouTube. YouTube. What happened? Okay, but no, for real, this is the 50 most disturbing moments caught doorbell camera volume 10. This is by Creep Caught. Go subscribe, even though I did not. You should. I'm gonna do it after I watch the video. That's what I normally do. 50 most disturbing moments caught doorbell camera. I don't like how he worded that, but we ain't gonna talk about grammar because I be wording shit wrong too. But all right, let's go ahead and get up.
Be careful, please. You're full, please. Mama.
Because guess what? Cops come through, they'll me. Taking the arm on the wrong.
Get off the block! Now, I'm told.
A guy and a woman were caught attempting to break into this house. Fortunately, the neighbors prevented them from entering the house. The doorbell footage with the man and woman is displayed on the video. The man plans to break into the residence with the help of his pregnant girlfriend.
He's saying I could throw one, throw something easy in this people. You know, they know about it. I like to keep it from those, but it's people that know you already know. Especially out here in prison, brother. This ain't no we can do. You know what I'm saying? You have to risk from the.
The resident sees this on the camera and requests the neighbor to check out the situation. When the neighbor confronts them, they begin to back away and explain how they know the residents.
Hey, what y'all doing back there?
Nah, this our people's here.
He said, "Nah, this our people's crib."
You want me to call the laws on you?
Do you want me to call the laws on you? Oh, that's an old head.
Okay, who stay here?
He said,
Evidently, they
y'all.
didn't think
He
about the
said,
possibility
y'all.
of being on camera. They eventually left and were not seen again. This doorbell camera caught a crazed man disturbing his just relocated neighbor. Around 2 months had passed since this new tenant moved in, yet the man who lived downstairs had been persistently hammering on the door. This repeated several times each day. The woman who lived there refused to open the door since she was either alone or out. The weird man would casually interrogate her about unknown people when she did open the door. He arrived one morning at 4 a.m. and began kicking the door when he didn't receive a response. Finally, the woman gave in and dialed 911.
What the
Thankfully,
fuck is he
the
holding,
police
a gun?
finally responded to the report and
Yo, was that a gun? Was he just hitting the door with a gun, or was that like a little sledgehammer or something?
she was either alone or out. The weird man would casually interrogate her about unknown people when she did open the door. He arrived one morning at 4 a.m. and began kicking the door when he didn't receive a response.
It's like a gun, but no light.
Finally, the woman gave in and dialed 911. Thankfully, the police finally responded to the report and arrested the man. He must be out of prison by now, so you must take immediate action against this guy if you see him on your door. This woman in San Diego, California, was caught in a doorbell footage acting crazy and disturbing the residents. She comes into the frame boldly and knocks on the door. She breaks into the property and continues to take the package that was owned by the homeowners.
That's right, you no, yes. I'm gonna you got a package out front. Bitch, I'm gonna open this shit right now. Bitch, you know what's going on.
She said, "Bitch, I'm about to open this shit right now." Oh my god.
How mama, you know what she said? Bitch, swear to God, like, it's coming internet, so.
To leave a message, you can do it now.
She tears open the package placed on the doorstep after grabbing it. She then takes the sign at the door and throws it away in the distance.
Fine. I swear to God, this is Andrew Ramirez. Please leave me alone. I swear to God. Hey, boy, oh my God, you're so petty. I swear to God, it's Andrew Ramirez all the same time.
Ooh, look at her stomach, y'all.
Shannon. Swear to God, again. No. Come on, huh? What the f*** is the second ice cream shit? Swear to God, like, what the f*** is this shit?
The camera captures her taking the stuff out of this parcel and leaving the residence. An unsettling woman is seen outside a home late at night, as captured by the doorbell camera. She either appears to be in need of assistance or is manipulating the residents. The woman who lives there converses with her while keeping the door shut.
Who is it?
The weird woman outside simply introduces herself as the teacher's daughter and states that she has to use the restroom.
Who is it?
Because I'm trying to use the bathroom. I'm the teacher's daughter.
But the day before, she was seen attempting to open the door on the doorbell camera. Fortunately, she was unable to. Therefore, she joined her male friend in walking away.
At Job Corps, you could work.
I don't like the fact that she look like a hoochie mama with her thongs out like that. That ain't. We not as women. We I can't even get the shit out. Shit. Oh, now she pulling them up.
What were her real intentions? Did she really just want to use the bathroom? A doorbell camera recorded this video. It captured a dreadful woman attempting to force her way into the tenant's apartment. She uses force to break down the door, even though there still are people inside the apartment. She tries to smash the camera to stop it from recording and continues to slam the door. She is being yelled at to stop by the woman residing in the apartment, but she begins to act out and fight back. She succeeds in removing the doorbell camera. She was still being filmed by the stolen camera and can be seen backing away in a hurry.
No, why would you take the
this
camera?
This doorbell
video
video was recorded in Oklahoma City.
You goofy.
The dog inside the home barks furiously, appearing to be alert to the weird, strange man outside. The man first makes an unsuccessful attempt to enter through the back entrance. Then, he decides to alter his plan and enter through the front entrance. He does so right away and with success.
Shit crazy, man.
He quickly runs through the home gathering the valuables items. He quickly exits through the back door and dashes into the waiting vehicle as soon as he hears someone.
So, he said pull up? What the hell he dropping? Why would you take it?
The car was described to be a red Malibu with a paper tag and an unidentified female driver. 3 men were spotted in the doorbell footage of this residence. Given that it is late at night, they make every effort to appear sly while wearing matching sweatshirts.
Now,
2 of them pick the third one in such a way that he reaches over and grabs the flag. They did not harm anyone but managed to steal the flag. Fortunately, they left afterward. Through the doorbell camera, a suspicious individual was noticed outside a residence. Your amazement at what he demands from the resident is guaranteed. He acts naive and appears to be unable to speak English when the woman inside the house asks him if he needs anything.
Hello? How may I help you?
Sorry, Guzmai,
He continues by requesting permission to use the restroom in his shaky English. Obviously disagreeing with him, the woman says she will call the police.
Hey, can you get my
The woman said she will call the police. Ooh, I hope she don't ever get encountered with a man asking her to use her restroom. That shit is bizarre and outrageous.
Can I use the bathroom? No.
No. I'm getting ready to call.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Es que comprende, no speak English, Spanish. Yes.
We're gonna call the police so they can come check the building.
No problem. No police, no, thank you.
The odd man tells her that he is from Nicaragua and that he will be fine while continuing to seem innocent.
Can I use the bathroom? I am from Nicaragua. Can I use the bathroom? ¿Puedo usar el baño? No problem, no police. Let's go, come on. Good night. Sorry. No problem.
He drunk.
He eventually bids her farewell and leaves.
I mean, but you a man though. You could just easily whip out your thing and start using the bathroom wherever you please. Like literally wherever you please, which is so crazy to say, but people actually do that wherever they please. But I have never heard of a man just, can I use it? What? Swear.
This doorbell footage shows a strange girl standing outside a house in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's late at night and she does not do anything but attempt to look inside the windows and the door. Earlier that night she came before, but again, she did not do anything. Instead, she just tried to look inside the windows. She seems to be hesitating, and it is unclear what she is up to. A mysterious girl can be seen standing outside a home in Las Vegas, Nevada in this doorbell video. She only makes an effort to look inside the door and windows despite the fact that it is late at night. She had previously arrived that evening, but again she did nothing but attempt to look through the windows. It's unclear what she is doing because she appears to be hesitant.
And she got ankle monitor on.
This doorbell video shows two weird women approaching a home's door. They appeared to be looking for their lost laptop. The woman in the back is especially untrustworthy because it appears like she is hiding something in her waistband. The resident finally asks them through the camera after patiently awaiting their request. He learns from the woman that her laptop was in his home, according to an app on her phone.
Hello?
Hi, yes, my laptop is here. Can I please retrieve that?
Your laptop is here?
Yeah.
He explains that he doesn't even know her and sounds confused.
I don't even know you.
Yeah, I know. Well, I just did a find my phone thing, and it's apparently here at this.
You know she lying because she couldn't even say this shit right. A find my phone thing is not. How would you find?
Residence.
I have no idea how it would be here.
She can't even get
I'm
to
sorry.
the app fast
He's being
enough.
accused of stealing and lying by the woman. She continues to act stubborn until the man tells her that he will call the cops.
I don't know how it would be here. I don't even know you.
Okay. No, I know that. That's what people do who steal. But if you want me to...
I don't know. I have no idea. I don't have a laptop. I'm going to go ahead and call the police right now then.
Yeah, I'm sure you will. Okay. Thanks. She has it.
The woman finally backs off a bit. Eventually, she leaves without creating more disturbance. This doorbell video shows a hilariously wild woman.
That is the what? That's weird, y'all. That's weird, y'all. That's weird, y'all. Like, that's weird.
Woman in action. She approaches the vehicle and asks what is going on. She keeps saying the same thing even though the question did not make any sense. She then abruptly extends her hand as though she were attempting to open the car's door.
What's going on over here? What is going on over here? What is going on over here? Okay? You have my people in here? Okay? What is going on over here?
The sudden encounter is unclear, and the resident seemed confused. She asks the same question as she slowly approaches the front door.
Okay, I don't fuck around no goddamn police here. You know who I am? You know who I am? You know who I am? I don't do nothing. Huh? 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 Huh?
Hey, what happened? Somebody in my house.
You know who I am? What's going on out here?
Despite the fact that nothing had occurred, it appears that she is irritated with the resident. Wicked woman was caught on a doorbell video, breaking into a house and stealing the resident's grandson's toy car. The resident lets his dog loose on the woman in an attempt to frighten her, but she shows no signs of fear. Instead, she makes an effort to pet and cuddle the dog.
See a dog whisperer, y'all.
The resident approaches the gate from the outside and waits for her to step inside so he may catch her and file a trespassing report against her. The man assures her that he will contact the police as they come face to face.
He just silently waiting there though. It's crazy.
Calling the police.
I'm so sorry. I came here to take a picture of this
What do you
truck.
want of it?
I'm sorry?
What do you want of it?
I took a picture of the truck. And I was putting it back, and I have a key. And I'm trying to find it.
I don't care. You don't have to get in my home.
Wow.
In an attempt to appear innocent, the woman apologizes and frames the incident by explaining that she simply wanted to take a photo.
Of a truck.
This doorbell footage captures a creepy woman trying to enter the house in Casey, South Carolina at 5:54 a.m.
Huh?
She was drunk. She was drunk at the wrong house, thinking that was her house. I've never got my own house confused with another person's house a day in my life. Drunk, high, whatever. Never drunk, never high. Never got my own house confused with another person's house. I've never been that drunk before. I've never been that drunk before. How do you forget that? How do you forget what your own house look like? Unless your house is like identical. But shit, my shit look identical to everybody else's. It's just, I don't know. Help me out. How do y'all do that?
She seems casual about it and tries to open the door with a key as well. This shows the importance of locking doors before sleeping. There are many creeps just waiting to break into your house.
Excuse me.
This doorbell video shows a young man approaching the door, knocking on it, and then waiting for the owner. The incident took place on a bright day.
Nashville, Tennessee.
The man asks the resident if the lawn needs to be cut. The man eventually departs after she politely declines his offer.
Hi, I'm sorry to interrupt you. I was just wondering if y'all need our grass cut.
Oh, we're good.
Okay.
It looks like we do, but we'll do it. Thank you.
Have a nice...
However, he enters the lawn a short while afterward. Given that the only difference is that he removed his jacket, it appears to be the same man. He covers his face with the jacket and then keeps looking around the lawn.
Now, why in the hell? He looks nervous, though.
He drags the lawnmower and starts to steal it, despite the fact that the scene appears hazy.
So, you asked... Hell fucking nah, boy. So, bro asked this lady if she needed her grass cut whole time. Bro ain't had no motherfucking lawnmower at all. He seen your lawnmower. Let me take that motherfucker. Lord. That's like a motherfucker asks you, can I see your phone so I can call your phone? I mean, nah. It's like the motherfucker asks you, can I see your phone so I can call somebody? Because they say they phone broke, but the whole time the motherfucker ain't have a phone, and the motherfucker just run off on you. So stole your phone in the midst of probably actually calling somebody, cause he ain't had no phone. That's crazy.
A doorbell camera caught this crazed woman. She immediately acts violently and begins ranting at the resident after the latter declined her request.
What?
The man standing next to her begins to take control of the situation. She repeatedly kicks the door and yells aggressively at the resident.
I don't stop. Please, be careful, please. Your foot, please. Mama. Relax, please.
Mama?
Please, Mama. I know, Mama. Come on. I know. Please.
She is stopped and dragged away by the male buddy. The two people can be seen vanishing from view. This large, towering man was caught on a doorbell video late at night. The suspicious man is greeted at the entrance by a woman. When he inquires about the time, the visibly upset woman requests that she depart. The man apologizes after confirming that it is private property.
Hey, Lee. Do you know what time it is?
It's time for you to get off the porch.
It's private property.
Yes, it is.
I apologize. I'm so sorry.
He enters the garage as he walks out. When he explains that he has his things in the garage, the lady requests him to stop.
Leave. No, leave the property.
I spent my stuff in the garbage.
Get your stuff and go.
He is told to pack up his belongings and leave the grounds. In Memphis, Tennessee, two brothers were captured in a doorbell footage. One of them was caught by the police the previous day, but they were back together at this house where they lost something. What they lost was apparently their weapons. They knock at the residence and ask the man if they could go and search for them in the backyard, since they dropped them while running away from the police.
Nah, this is crazy.
No, Dave.
I think you
Nah, that's some crazy shit, bruh. Nah, that's crazy. Cause what? You running from 12 and you politely come back and ask a motherfucker that you threw some shit in a person's backyard in cause you trying to run from 12 and shit. And you go through the front and shit. You trying to be a citizen now.
Hey, my little brother done ran from the police the other day. They ran to y'all backyard. We just looking for our guns, big bro. What? I said, my brother and them lost their guns in your backyard yesterday. They were running from the police. Can we look in your backyard to find them?
The police was already with
Yeah, go ahead and look right quick.
But why they coming?
We ain't know shit, big bro. We just trying to find our guns. Go ahead and look right quick. I'm looking at y'all.
The man asks them to search quickly and leave. They seem to head toward the backyard.
But no, why did they freaking come at night though? Like, was they retracing their steps all day? They help me understand. Like, I don't understand. Like, why they do that though? Like, tight shit.
This bold guy was caught in a doorbell camera going through the owner's car. He even turned on the light and seems to be searching around for stuff.
Lock y'all car doors.
He manages to get something interesting and then exits the car. As soon as he backs off the porch, a woman and a man, who were seemingly the residents, were heard yelling and stopping the guy. The man runs away, but fortunately, he was caught on camera. These two males were seen late at night on a doorbell camera. Just a simple knock is made by the man. What must they need? While he waits for the owner to respond, the resident speaks into the camera. The man outside keeps asking him if he's home. The owner waits a moment before responding and asks about any needs.
Can I help you?
Hi, it's Officer.
What do you need?
Everything I said was going to happen.
What can I help you with?
Are you home? Are you home?
Shit.
The two men identify themselves as police officers and prove this by displaying an ID card. Apparently, they needed to look into the owner's camera footage for a homicide case they were looking into.
What business of it is yours?
This is the police. Are you home?
What's the reason for your visit?
It don't even look like it, G.
We are investigating a homicide. We were going to see if your camera caught
I don't think that's the police.
Caught any evidence.
The camera's owner explains that it only captures up to the sidewalk and nothing further.
I only get notifications if you're by the front door. I haven't received any notifications.
Okay. It doesn't reach out to the street?
Nope, just to the sidewalk, just inside the sidewalk.
Okay. Thank you, sir. We appreciate it.
Yep, sorry, can't be any more help. Have a good night.
The police excuse themselves and depart. In Lexington, Kentucky, a man was seen trying to open doors of apartments. He tried the door which wouldn't open, so he switched on to the next one. The resident of the previous apartment used the doorbell camera to ask him what he just tried to do.
Oh, sorry.
Because I seen you just try to open my door. What are you doing?
Yeah.
The man acts innocent and seems to not understand English properly. He tries to open the next door, showing as if it's his apartment. But the resident knew someone else lived there and threatened the man to leave or else he'd call the cops.
You said what?
Yeah. I know they were like you.
Somebody lives there. Well, I'm saying you over there trying to open up people's doors, and I'm about to go ahead and screenshot you and send it in the Ring camera. Yeah, stay away from doors. If you by my door again, I'm calling the police.
The man backs off and leaves once he hears about the cops. This doorbell video shows a group of teenage males knocking on a residence, and their question seems odd. One of them introduces himself and makes an offer to buy the house as the resident responds. They intended to utilize the building as a trap house, as he claims.
Us certified hoodie would love to buy your house for $10.
He offers to buy it from the residents for $10,000. The resident declines him after being startled by the quick request.
We would like to buy your house for $10,000. You're
joking, right?
No. Us certified hood want your house. We're certified hood for appropriate uses, no drugs. What do you say? We're trying to turn it into a trap house. Come on. We're trying to turn it into a trap house. Smoke them blunts, smoke J's. You're going to be selling 8 balls for 20.
The teens made racial remarks before running away. According to the video, they did return, which is what finally pushed the resident to call the police. In this video, 3 unsettling males can be seen inside a home in Irvington, New Jersey. They intend to commit a burglary at the house. They're conversing with each other in the scene when a loud noise is heard.
That's what I'm talking about. Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
Yeah. So my boxes just feel like all my boxes feel like sorry. I'm doing good with this mobile setup though. I'm doing very good. But anywho, all my boxes just fell. So that's why I did that face, cause I was just shocked. 333 on the clock. I didn't know how it fell. I was confused because they were stacked perfectly. The boxes are like the box DNA is like fractured because I guess apparently the store that I got it from probably punched the boxes. Um, I'm not for sure. But yeah. So basically, yeah, the boxes fell. I don't know if any glass broke. From what I read on the boxes, it was some 2 boxes from my room fell. A living room box fell. And I think it can. I don't know what that other box is. Uh, but yeah, sadly, my boxes fell. But I think everything's all good. I will be moving, so I probably won't be streaming or doing any reaction YouTube videos till I'm actually situated. Hopefully by then I can just have a regular PC. Even if I don't have my gaming PC, I still want to have a regular PC. That way I still have the dual monitors and I can, use that to stream. And I can still play streaming the cloud-based games on the PC. It's just not gonna be, it's great. I might, do old school games. Fuck it, I don't know, cause I still want a PC, but I'm gonna get there. But yeah, so we back at it. We gonna go right here, cause I don't know what happened. I know. Okay, boom. Boom. Oh shit. Bad, y'all.
Conversing with each other in the scene when a loud noise is heard.
My bad, y'all. Sorry, man.
They are surprised and quickly back away from the area. This doorbell camera captures this creepy, suspicious guy holding a knife approaching a house. The man extends his hand to open a side door, but fails to do so.
Stop.
He moves to the front door, but a boy asks him what he's doing through the camera. Obviously alarmed, he starts backing off right away.
Hello? Hey. Go away. Faster, faster.
He rushes towards the road.
I'm gonna call the police.
The boy threatens him to call the police, and that's when he finally runs away from the residence. In this video, a weird man is seen standing outside a home. He has a few items in one hand. His other hand is holding a weapon. He covers the doorbell camera and stays by the door after that. The next door is eventually where he goes. He hears the woman living inside the building just before he tries something else. She becomes frightened and alarmed.
Oh. What are you doing here?
She asks what he is up to, which finally pushes the man to leave the residence. This video shows a man who was caught on a doorbell camera. He can be seen trying to force his way into the residence. It's late at night and he tries to open the door. He messed with the knob for a while when the homeowner finally asked him what he was doing. He apparently wants to use the resident's Vaseline. Strange, right? When asked who he wants, he says that he wants the homeowner.
What are you doing?
I'm using Vaseline.
Excuse me? What do you want? I just called the police, so you better walk away from my door.
Free housing.
That bitch said I want to use some Vaseline. What the fuck? Type shit is he on? Like, that's crazy. Hey, he crazy.
Is obviously disturbed by the man, threatens him, and informs him that the police are on their way. This is when the man finally leaves. The man is seen threatening the people of Norcross, Georgia, on a doorbell camera. Speaking to the camera, he warns people to be on the lookout for him in order to avoid being captured and hurt.
Hey, it's me. Hey, it's me. If the feds don't get you first, you better hope the feds get you before I get you. Because I'm coming for you.
When he over here. What is going on in the world, y'all?
He seems like he might be a con artist. But isn't it unsettling to be threatened by someone through a camera in the middle of the day?
Oh, life it is.
The cops detain this strange man as it is caught on a doorbell video. There appear to be 5 additional police officers surrounding the suspect. They debate for a while before deciding to arrest the man. The man tries to explain, but the officer restrains him.
They were trying to file a report on me over there in the Bronx. So we let us have a family dinner. She get out of the car and call me a bitch and start saying all type of rest for women.
Come through, don't shoot me. Take the arm on the road. I ain't no room. I'll take hands on me.
I'm taking the car keys.
Alright. You got anything in the pockets?
You want me to take your phone or you got it?
Your phone?
Yeah.
You know it's gonna get vouchered, right?
He purposefully agitated a family by using a doorbell camera, which was the cause. Thankfully, he was detained. Have you ever heard about the art thief? Strange,
No.
right? Well, this video shows a man who broke into a house. He enters the place and seems to be searching around the place.
Why you looking like that?
After a good minute, he extends his hands toward an art piece hanging on the wall. He proceeds to take it off and moves to the next one.
Hey, wow. What you gonna? Where you gonna? What he gonna do? Y'all pawn them motherfuckers? How you? What? Type shit.
We can only hope that those pieces weren't too pricey. This camera films these 3 people in action. There is a man and 2 women. The man appears to be sitting in the place before the ladies. Just as the 2 women enter, the guy gets up and moves with them. These 3 continue to search around the place and pick up whatever is valuable.
Call me when I get up. Hi, what's wrong? Who did that?
He told me to call you.
What's wrong, Kai? What happened?
While one of them talks to her grandson, the other woman totally goes into action and starts putting stuff into her purse. They eventually leave in a while, unaware of the fact that they were being recorded all this time. The clerk, who was unaware of the burglary, finally finds out about them through the pre-recorded video. This strange man was captured by a doorbell camera. The residence is located in Tacoma, Washington. The man comes up to the porch and weirdly sits down doing something which only he knows.
Hey.
Just as he sits down, the homeowner suddenly comes up and asks him about his activities. The man suddenly gets up and keeps his hands to sign that he means no harm. He walks away, but then turns back as if he was drunk.
Go away. The police are coming.
You need to leave our property now.
The residents tell him to leave the property and that they would be calling the police. This doorbell footage shows an innocent man who is waiting for the homeowner to answer. As he opens the door, he seems confused when a man answers instead of a woman. He immediately apologizes. The resident, audibly annoyed by the situation, asks the man why he came over.
What's going on, man? How are you? What are you looking for? You're the second guy coming to my house in like half an hour.
Are you serious?
I just bought this house, bro. I don't know who it is that keep coming to my house.
Okay.
The man answers how someone must be using this home address for a dating app. He only came because he was called over, not because he wanted to bother someone.
I think there's someone that's using your home.
For what?
Like an app, like a dating app.
Do I look like need to be date? I mean, come on, dude.
No, sorry.
What the hell is going on?
I have no idea, sorry.
Here's how the average man's life would change if he used Pi for 5 days straight.
Shifted recently and was upset over this. The address was wrongfully used by someone. This video that was captured by a doorbell camera shows this crazy woman outside a house in Louisville, Kentucky. She smiles at the camera continuously. She has some things in her hand, and it seems that she pours some water away at the doorstep. She then moves back and drinks the leftover water and throws the bottle in front of the house.
Hi. Please wait. It may take me a moment to answer.
No problem. Gotta have another world left. What you got?
As she's about to leave, the residents inside open the door. The lady who opens the door demands the crazy woman to pick up her bottle and not trash the place.
You come back, pick your bottle up. No, pick your bottle up. Thank you.
There was a lady out here with me. I wanted to talk to you about.
As the woman does so, the husband requests her to leave the property before they resort to calling the cops. The woman just continues to speak gibberish to the couple and then moves back.
Can you leave our yard before we call the police, please?
Please call the police. I'll wait here for them.
On the street, somewhere else before we go through our... We need you to leave our porch.
Please. Bring the guns, all of them.
Again?
That's the problem. We'll quit that right now.
As she leaves, she tells the couple to stop acting up and that she won't let them live if they leave the house. She confirms if they hurt her.
Don't try to be on, Ellie, or you won't make it out that house alive. Did you hear me?
Yeah, I heard you.
She's walking.
The resident inside, clearly frightened but upset, brings out a knife to threaten her.
I don't care. Hey, that's a demon, baby. Come on back and shut the door.
Fortunately, the crazy lady left by then. An attempted robbery took place in Wilmington, Delaware. Gladly, it was caught on a doorbell camera. The video shows how the man breaks into a car and tries to pick up some valuables. The man rushes to his car and leaves in a hurry since he got chased by the possible vehicle owner. He manages to leave the place. The resident, whose doorbell camera recorded the incident, opens his front door to get a good look at the situation. He sees two more suspicious men passing over his house, hence he closes the door. If you ever find yourself in a similar situation, it'd be better to keep the doors closed and locked.
Yeah.
At 4:30 a.m., the doorbell camera records this person trying to break into the house. He tries over and over but can't succeed. He tries for a while before the resident inside confronts him about it on tape.
Anyone seen it before?
Can I help you?
Oh, yeah, excuse me, sorry. I don't have I was wondering if I can, possibly have a place to stay for just tonight until the morning.
The man seemed unprepared to answer the resident. He appears to be attempting to hide himself by requesting a place to stay the night.
No, I'm sorry. You gotta go.
Yeah, you gotta go.
The homeowner disagrees, and the man hurriedly departs, evidently afraid of being apprehended. This man comes over to a house and leaves the resident confused. Fortunately, this moment was captured by the house's doorbell camera. The man knocks on the door and waits for the homeowner to respond. As they answer, he starts acting like a crazy man and talks things that do not make sense. He talks to a woman in the house and explains his situation, and then proceeds to talk as if he knows her.
Can I help you?
Hey, how you doing? I don't mean to knock on your door, but I just got assaulted by my girl. You know what I'm saying? You know, I ain't no snitch.
You had to call.
She put you had to call. It's okay. It's okay. No. Look, it's okay. It's okay. I ain't no snitch. I don't mean to bother nobody.
Ollie and Anna.
What? Baby said, what? He said, I ain't no snitch. I don't mean to bother nobody. What you mean? Like...
But I was down on my truth. Be respecting a queen, a woman. Put hands on me. But it's all good. Because guess what? Cops come through, they'll me. Taking the arm on the wrong. I ain't no wrong. I gonna put hands on me. I ain't even do nothing.
Look at his eyes, y'all.
It's all good.
Eventually, after some good minutes of talking nonsense, he finally leaves.
You see them motherfuckers?
Queen, a woman. Put hands on me. But it's all good. Because guess what? Cops come through.
Boom. Why they so wide and circled and black?
No, me taking the arm on the wrong. I ain't no wrong. I put your hands on me. I ain't even do nothing. It's all good.
Eventually, after some good minutes of talking nonsense, he finally leaves. This footage shows a homeowner confronting a crazy man.
Like, why you had a battle that motherfucker? Like, what type shit is he on?
This takes place in Rio Linda, California. He exits the building, unlocks his vehicle, and yells at the man.
What's up, man? What do you got a problem with, dog? You from Big Jim, homie? Get back inside. You want to with Big Jim?
The man begins to approach the residents. They both seem to talk about something. The resident tells him to leave the property and the surrounding area. The man keeps talking gibberish and does not leave.
I'm a Fargo president! You better get out of here, dude. I'm a Fargo president! You better get out of here. Can I have a handshake? Leave. Go. I'm not No. You about ready to get out of here. You better think about it. You better get out of here. Just now. With the Fargo get out of here. I'm going to call the cops. Right now. I'm the block. Do you live on this block? No, I'm the Hell's Hanger president, and you just crossed the head. Get off the block! Now, I'm calling the cops. Hey, have a good right now.
The homeowner finally threatens him that he would call the cops, and the man finally starts to back off a bit. A doorbell camera captured this young man. He appears to ride his bicycle into the homeowner's backyard. He rides around the area before getting off at a corner. The resident urges him to leave the property as he gets off the ride. The youngster gets back on his bike once more and resumes riding around the garden.
What are you doing, kid? Get the hell out of there, will you? Now, leave. Got your camera.
He's being recorded, the homeowner informs him, but the youngster merely but angrily urges him to stop talking.
Yeah, go.
Stop talking.
He can be seen fading out of the image. A resident caught a woman suspiciously wandering around in his garage. The owner of the residence confronts the woman, however, she defends herself by showing how she does not have anything. She tries to play smart.
I'm not carrying anything.
The man explains that she has no business being there, but she chooses to place the responsibility on him for leaving the garage open.
Your thing is open. No. Nothing. I'm just walking around. I just went in there and knocked and nobody answered. I tried to go in there and nobody answered. That's all.
Okay, so where here in Denver do you live?
I live just down on 5th.
She explains to the owner that she was only strolling around the area because she lives just up the street. In this video, we see a bear break into a house. In the first few seconds, the bear appears to be planning its adventure. The bear starts moving towards the chicken coop that the residents owned. He tries to disturb the chickens and can be seen trying to break down the coop. He continues to break down the coop, but thankfully Hallie, a woman who was living inside the building, immediately went up to the window and scared it off by yelling at it.
Has anyone had bear meat before? I guess I can
The bear can be seen running off in a hurry from the residence. When Joey went outdoors to feed the cats on a steamy summer day, he passed out on the porch. His wife and son received a motion alert from their doorbell camera app while they were away traveling. He fell as they opened the app. They asked their neighbors for assistance right away. The neighbors checked up on Joey and immediately called 911. Joey was on his way to the hospital in a matter of minutes.
Joey is down on the front porch down in Dallas. Can you run over and check on him? He's like literally on the porch right now.
They asking me how old Joey is.
Joey was sent to the hospital.
He experienced a cardiac episode, according to the doctors, and needed to stay in the hospital for a few days. Thankfully, he is now recovering well.
My name is Richard, and I take care of my mom. It's my mom.
One winter night, David's neighbor warned him about bears approaching his garden. David kept watch in case he needed to scare them off. Eventually, 2 bears showed up and seemed to be playfully wandering around the yard. However, they suddenly seemed to be in a disagreement. They end up in a corner before they finally leave and move out of the yard. Imagine a beautiful sunny day and you're enjoying a relaxing nap beside the pool. Sounds like a great time, right? Well, for Matt, it turned out to be quite an unusual experience. As captured by a Ring camera, Matt was peacefully dozing off when a bear suddenly appeared in the frame. The bear took a drink from the pool, looked around, and then moved closer to Matt. Instinctively, the bear lightly nudged Matt's foot, causing him to wake up. Upon awakening, the bear quickly ran away. Many people enjoy catching snowflakes during wintertime, but do animals share this delight? This heartwarming camera footage shows a bear having fun with snowflakes. 2 bears appear in the frame walking by, when one of them stands up and performs a cute little dance. Then, the bear tries to catch snowflakes, resulting in a truly adorable moment. Hold on to our final clip, which is the most scariest and creepiest one. And if you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our creepiest videos.
Go ahead and do that.
A large man is seen attempting to break into a residence in this footage. He makes an attempt to open the yard's gate. The resident inside tells him to leave right away through the webcam just as he succeeds in opening it.
Don't even try it.
He got scared as hell.
Before saying that, she checked to make sure the windows and doors were locked. The man swiftly rushed off, clearly terrified. Thank you so much for watching.
He got scared as hell, and he ain't gonna hold you. And he gonna hold you.